Hi, I'm William Myers with Subaru for Expert Village. Today we're going to change out a battery, but remember one thing. The negative battery cable always comes off first, and the negative battery cable always goes on last when you change a battery. This is the negative battery cable right here. It'll always have a negative sign on the battery, or a positive plus sign for the positive side. First, you're going to loosen the negative cable by loosening this 10 millimeter nut here. You put your 10 millimeter wrench on and just counterclockwise loosen the nut. Undo it from its clip. Not all batteries will have this clip. Put the cable to the side, then you lift up the plastic cover on the positive and you loosen the same 10 millimeter nut on the positive side. Remove the positive post, positive battery terminal in that is, and then you'll have two 10 millimeter nuts here on the mounting bracket. First, you remove your little plastic clip by unscrewing it counterclockwise and pull up. Loosen up your 10 millimeter holding bolts. They're also known as J-bolts because they have a J-hook at the end. And once they're loosened, just back them off. And you can push down and undo them because there's a J-hook. So, once you get your bracket out of the way, just like so, just grab your battery, lift it out, set it on the ground, and you're ready to install a new battery. This is a J-hook. It looks like a J. The J-hook lives in a hole right here, and it goes just like so. And you have one on the other side right across from it, and that's what that J-hook's going to ride in to keep that battery clamp held down so the battery don't slide around.